This is the Polycom VVX 401 IP phone. The VVX 401 is a 12-line business media phone with HD enhancements. It is similar to the VVX 400 but features a USB port for USB headsets. The 401 also provides users with enhanced processing and memory capabilities. Included with the VVX 401 is the phone, phone base, handset cord, and line cord. At Atlas Phones, you can purchase the Polycom VVX 401 as new or like new. Our like new phones are refurbished, giving you a great quality product for an even better price. Here at Atlas Phones, we have over 40,000 square feet of telecom inventory and offer same-day shipping on orders placed by 5 p.m. Each of our products include a 1-year warranty with extended warranty options available for up to 5 years. We've been helping people in business since 1998, and we hope this video helped you too. You can give us a call today at 888-567-5194 or visit our website www.atlasphones.com.